boy Dave, and on today's episode, we're gonna be trying to chase down some of these rainbows. Oh, don't tell me! Oh, bro, we couldn't even get the intro going. It's on, baby! Yeah!
Trout hunters, baby.
That's right. That's right, man. Dude, we couldn't even get that intro going, baby. Let's see what you got, my man. Woo!
Right here.
Look, my boy Frank, man.
Up,
I'll tell you what, man. My boy right here, he's the Kastmaster King. While he's reeling this one in, babe, you want to grab that net? So as you guys can tell, we're fighting some pretty tough winds right here. So we're going to be throwing some heavier Kastmasters. Well, pretty much the same size, the 1/4 ounce. Oh, let's see what he got on him. Whoa, what is it, little brook?
Right on time.
Oh, yeah.
Little brookie.
Got that little brook trout right there. Where did you get him on, bro?
I heard they like that orange.
Oh, yeah? Who you hear that from?
Wise man. Trout hunters, baby.
We hunt them down, guys. All right, that's one hell of an intro right there, guys. So we're going to get rigged up. We're going to get casted out. Stay tuned, baby. Got him. Man, he hit like a tank. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Dude. No way. This fish hit it so hard. Nice. Yep, doesn't want to come up. Circling. Oh, he's running away.
I seen him.
Hold on, hold on.
Too quick.
He does not want to come up. Come on. Nice. That's right, baby. Woo! Trout hunters, baby. Look at that. Ooh, that beautiful fire tiger right in the mouth, like I told you guys. All right. Where's the pliers at? Ooh. Can't go wrong with that, man. Thank you, sir. All right, calm down. Calm down. All right, you're going on the rope, bro. All right, look at that beautiful rainbow trout, man. That was amazing. He came up and hit this little fire tiger Kastmaster like a beast. Whoa, you almost fell over? Did you get a bite? All right, guys, we're going to get this guy in the string and we're going to get casted back out, baby. That hunt is on. Got him, boy. Got him. That's right. Telling you, man, they're hitting aggressive today. Woo! That's right. That's right. Nice. Another one on that Kastmaster. Are those pliers? Oh, can you hand me those pliers, please? All right. Thank you, Frank. Look at that. Right in the face, baby. He wasn't getting off. I'll tell you that right now. We'll let that little guy go, man. No, we'll keep him on. Yeah, we'll let him go, Frank. Unless you want. Yeah, we'll let him go. Get a nice release on him. All right, there we are. Woo! Got him. Come on, baby. That's right. Trout hunters, baby. We hunt them down. That's right. Dude, that one, he kept tapping it, bro. Like tap, 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 tap.
Where is it?
I don't know, honestly. Ah, she missed him. All right. There we go. Got another brookie on that fire tiger color right there. Ah, calm down, fish. Calm down. I do not want to get a hook in the hand today. Well, I'm pretty sure you didn't want to get a hook in the face either, so. There we go. There's the money bait of the day, guys. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get a nice release on that little brook trout right there. I'm gonna do the honors, my love. Nice healthy release on him. All right. I'm surprised he kept tapping it, man. See, I felt like tap, 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 and I was like, oh man, I missed it, right? And then I felt tap, tap again. I was like, oh man, he's on there. Like this one, baby. Just like that one. That's right. Your boy found the pattern, I'm telling you. Fish on, baby.
I think you found their nest.
Oh, is that right, sir? Yeah, he's got some pull to him. That's what I'm thinking, man. I don't know. He hit like a brook, though. Oh, yeah, it's a brook. Oh man, there we go, baby. There we go. I'll tell you what, guys, that is the money color of the day right there. Look at that nice, beautiful looking little fish right there. We'll go ahead and release this one too, bro. That's right. All right. Might as well just keep these pliers in my pocket now, huh? Got him, bro?
On the pause, Dave.
Oh.
On the pause.
Ooh.
On the pause.
That's right.
On the pause.
Nice, bro. I'm telling you. What'd you get him on, bro? Oh, I'm telling you, man, you can't go wrong with that color, bro. You cannot go wrong with that. Ah, that's right. I know, I was about to say, bro, do you got one on your bait too? What, you got a rainbow? Yeah, that's a nice one right there. And we got him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a chunky boy, bro. Look at that one.
Yeah.
All right, look at the one my boy Frank just pulled in, baby. On that new juicy color, baby. That is the new juice right there.
That is right there.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
I appreciate you giving me that.
Hey, man, no problem, bro. Like I said, man.
We on them down, baby.
That's right. Let's see. Look at that, bro. Nice. Yeah, once you feel that nice. Oh, got him, baby. Got him. Woo! Yeah. That's right. Oh, dude, hey, that's actually the first time I got a Kastmaster fish on this pole. Nice. Oh, man. I barely pulled that guy off the bottom and started reeling it, man. You got all three of them too, bro.
Oh, you switched it up.
Oh yeah, I got this guy on the silver and green right there. Ooh, they got you good there, didn't they? Let's not get a hook in the finger, Dave. Yeah, man, he's hooked good.
Yeah, you wanted his mouth shut.
He's talking all that smack, bro.
There it is. Yeah, he'll be all right. This guy's a tough.
There we go.
Yeah, he has a tough.
All right. There we go. Oh, come on, little man. There we go. He just had to get his breath real quick.
Right now.
Yep. All right, and there he goes. All right. All right, decided to switch it over to that 1/4 ounce, the silver and green. Woo! Again? That's right, baby. Woo, look at that rod right there. Ooh. Look at that pole bend. That's right. That's right.
Trout hunters, baby.
I'm telling you, bro.
Shout out to Dave at Trout Hunters, man.
Had to put my boy on that new juice color, you know. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nah, man, I'll tell you what, guys. That gold fire tiger, baby. If you guys can find that gold fire tiger, that is brook trout killer right there.
Ooh, look at that back, too.
Ooh.
24K.
Yeah, that's right. Man, the fish
Yeah,
just
man,
look
that's-
mean.
Oh,
The
yeah,
fish
bro.
look mean, bro.
Look how big his mouth opens.
Dang, bro.
Yeah, it's
Now that's a straight predator fish right there, if I've ever seen one. Oh, yeah. Let's see, I got that hook. Let me see, I got some pliers right here. Oh.
I found their nest.
All right, okay. Okay. I'm coming to that side of the dock, bro.
On the load.
Oh, man. Let me get this net for you, bro. Oh, man. Okay, they done switch sides on us, huh? They done switch sides on us. Oh, whoa, whoa. My bad. Get that rod. Oh, it's all tangled. Get that undone in a second. But you got another brook?
Trout hunters, baby.
That's right.
We hunt them down.
Oh, we got the rainbows. No, get back over here. This way, this way, this way. There we go. There we go. Ah. Right there on them money colors, baby. I'll tell you what.
I can't thank you enough for that thing, man. Thank you, brother.
No problem, my man. We hunt them down, boy.
Yeah, look at that beautiful, man.
That's a nice. Ooh, no hooks in the fingers, bro.
No, man, we'll put them down.
Yeah, let's not get hooks. Luckily, I remember to start recording. Watch him catch a fish. Told you I was finna catch a fish. I told you I was gonna catch that fish, baby. Woo, that's right. That's right. Called it. Called it, baby. Haha, there we go.
Oh my God, that's what the basket.
Called it.
Bad shit.
There we go. There we go. All right, guys, got this one right here on that 1/4 ounce gold Kastmaster. Had to switch it on over, you know. Since I snapped off with that new juice. I got one more in the bag and I don't feel like losing it today, so. I figured, hey, why not, man? This one's still gold. Oh, no, let's get you back in that water here. Ah, hey. Dude, these fish, like, walk.
Yeah.
These guys know where the water is.
These are not stupid fish, man. All right, everybody. So, me and my boy Frank right here.
What's up, baby?
We had a straight blast today, guys. We were killing it. Sorry about the video quality right now, as you guys can tell. We got that moon out up there. The bite's really fire, but the bats came out. And it's time for me to go, y'all. But till the next hunt, you guys. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, here. Let's show you guys these little beauties we got here. If we can get a view on them. There we go. Those are just the ones that we kept. Me and my boy Frank right here, we done released a couple. You know, trout hunters, baby.
We hunt them down, baby.
That's right. Till the next hunt, guys, we're out.